Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how can we download Anaconda Navigator for Mac operating system. Go to your browser and type Anaconda for Mac. This is the first link, docs.anaconda.com, installing on Mac OS. Click on it. Again click on Mac OS installer. Scroll down and click on the 64-bit graphical installer. Your download will start. It depends upon your internet how much time it is going to take. Click on continue. Again click on continue. This is the agreement license. Read if you want to. After reading you have to click on continue. Agree. Now it will ask to choose the destination folder for the package. You can choose a folder. I am choosing my folder in this location: users, home, OPT. I will be choosing my location to OPT. Now again you have to continue and click on install. It will ask your password. Enter your password. It may take some time because it is a very large file. It is going to occupy somewhat about 5 GB of your disk space. Now this is a feature of Anaconda with PyCharm. It is already there in Anaconda. I will show you this later. Just click on continue for now and close. Now we can move our installer to the bin. After this go to your application and open Anaconda Navigator. It is taking some time. You have to wait until that. This is the home page of Anaconda Navigator. It shows all the app like Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, Qt Console. We will go to environment and I will show you all the built-in packages which comes under Anaconda Navigator like Pandas, Matplotlib. It has all the basic package which are used for data science. NumPy, everything is there. You can see all the packages. Later I will show you how if you want to download other packages, you can download that also. In this learning section there is all the documentation, training. In the community you will see all the community portals like Stack Overflow, Conda forum, Bouquet forum, SciPy conferences. In the environment, in the first I'm going to show you how can we launch Jupyter Notebook. Go to home and launch Jupyter Notebook. It will redirect to your terminal and you can see it is getting the Jupyter Notebook ready for you. It will run on your local host, port number 8888. Click on Python 3 new file. Now as I have shown you, there was Panda in our packages Anaconda environment, so I am importing Pandas. It may take some time, so don't close it. I am going to show you simple print function in Python, hello world, which is start of every programming language. Hello world. As you can see this in the first cell there is star. It means Panda haven't imported from the library. Now it is imported. Now I'm going to show you the input function just for example purpose. Run it, enter the name, and it will show the output. Jupyter Notebook is basically interactive Python, which is IPython. It runs line by line. It is interacted line by line. Now I will show you how we can close the Jupyter Notebook. press Ctrl plus C, it will ask yes or no. You have to type Y, and if you will go to your local host, it will say connection error. If you will reload the site, then there is no connection, as we have closed the Jupyter Notebook from the terminal. So that's it from my side. Hope you like the video. Thank you very much.